what are the powers we have? And who will tell me what are the powers we have? As a human beings, we have some powers. Okay? We have, what are the powers? Anybody know any powers we have? Tell me what, yeah. Tell me, you want to tell what powers we have? And who wants to tell? Raise your hand. We have some powers inside us. Anyone knows any power we have? We all have, yeah. Which one? Stand up, yeah. Strength, yeah, of course. Physical body strength have, yes. Any, yeah, yes. Brain power, mind power, very good. Yes, very good. Claps to mind power, yes. Yeah. What is that? Power to control emotions, very good. Yes. Huh? What is that? Clever, yeah. No, intelligence. Intelligence also we have, wonderful. And anyone, yeah. What are the powers we have? Yes. Power of belief, wonderful. Very good, claps. Mental power and mind power, very good. And who else? Yes. Imagination is also wonderful power. Yeah. Huh? What is it? Life power. Love also one good power. Yes, very good. Yeah. Yeah, you're the one. Thinking straight. Very good. Wonderful. Yes. Huh? Yes, who said willpower? That's right, willpower, yes, very good. Claps to willpower. So friends, now I'll share some powers, okay? How many of you want concentration power? How many of you want willpower, more willpower? How many of you want more determination power? How many of you want more understanding power, more grasping power? Okay? So like this, memory power, how many of you want more memory power? So like this, for all the powers, source of all the powers is, it will give, meditation will give all the powers, more power it will develop. Okay, meditation helps you for all the powers. So now, how many of you wanted to do regular meditation from now onwards? Because you want all the powers to be improved, right? Very good. So when to do the regular meditation means, when your parents say that, okay, now it's time to sleep, you go and sleep, then you say that, I will be doing 5 minutes breath watch meditation. What is this meditation is called? I will be doing 5 minutes breath watch meditation and sit without any movement and do the meditation and then go to sleep. When you go to sleep like that, what happens is, in the sleep, all good quality sleep happens in the night time. When good quality sleep happens, then more energy you will receive. That energy will give you all powers, all the concentration, memory power, willpower, all the powers it will increase. Okay? From now onwards, today onwards, how many of you will be doing 5 minutes meditation every night? Very good. All of you, appreciations for all of you.